Hey everyone, today I'm sharing how I passed the GitHub Foundation exam while I was still a student. I'll walk you through the details of the exam, how to access it, and the resources I used to prepare on it. So stick around if you're planning to take the GitHub Foundation exam too.
So I found GitHub Foundation exam while exploring the GitHub Student Developer Pack, which is this one. The developer pack is full of amazing free tools and offers for student, and the exam is one of them, completely free for student. A pro tip: grab the student developer pack if you're still a student. So that time I was just scrolling through the developer pack and reading about the exam itself, which is this one. And when I saw it was free, I thought, why not? Who doesn't love free stuff that time? So I just clicked more of this. And if you're no longer a student or don't have the GitHub student developer pack, the exam will cost 49 US dollars. But for student, it's free as of now. Just make sure not to input any card details when you're booking your exam. The exam itself has 75 questions and you'll have 2 hours to complete it. It's important to know that during the exam, you'll need to close all your browser tabs and application that time. When you're ready to book, you can do it directly from the GitHub portal, which where I am right now. If you're using for the free exam from the GitHub Student Developer Pack, just make sure not to enter any payment details. Once booked, you can immediately launch the exam and it will redirect you to the secure browser for the text. So in my case, I already passed the GitHub Foundation exam, but I created another GitHub account for you to see what it looks like when you are booking your exam. As you can see, the scheduled exam, GitHub Certification Program Partner with PSI, and you can see it is now a button which schedule and take exam. And then just press the schedule and take exam, and it will redirect you to another tab, which is the take exam, and you'll just need to input your name and address and such. Just I remind you not to put any payment details for the examination. Just make sure to use the voucher. It will be automatically be zero when you are just booking for your exam. Now let's talk about how I prepared. Honestly, I didn't thoroughly go through every resources, but here are the three resources that helped me the most. First up is GitHub Docs. This is my way go-to for understanding version control. Even though I'm not studying for the exam, I use GitHub Docs for reviewing or understanding how does repository works and code spaces that time. GitHub Docs is a big part of the examination. It helps me mostly on the security related topic like setting up a two-factor authentication and understanding repository permission. Just make sure also to review GitHub Actions, which is this one, CI/CD and DevOps. Also, project management features like issues, pull requests. These are key points that appear frequently in the exam. Next, I use the free code content or GitHub courses on YouTube. They highlight important topics that pop up in the exam. While I didn't finish the whole course because it was too long for me, the part that I did watch were super helpful. If you have the time, I recommend this course. It's packed with valuable insights. Next is I use the free code content or GitHub course on YouTube. They highlight important topics that pop up in the exam. While I didn't finish the whole course because it was too long for me, the parts that I did watch were super helpful for me that time. It can be the GitHub basics for you if you want to study more on usage of GitHub or what are some Git commands that can be used for you to understand. It also tackle more on the understanding GitHub repos for you to understand it. And finally, the most helpful resource for me, hands-on practice. I spent a lot of time experimenting with GitHub features like creating branches, managing a pull request, more on issues and discussion and such. I also able to learn on working with GitHub Codespaces, deploying my backend through Codespaces and such. I was able to learn also thanks to my colleagues and teammates in my group. I was able to learn how to use GitHub Actions like deploying to Vercel when we push something on main. I didn't just study GitHub itself. I use it for real world scenarios that time. And even though I'm not studying for the exam, this hands-on approach helped me familiarize myself with the platform, and it was a game changer for me in the exam. An additional tip for preparing for your GitHub certification or especially GitHub Foundation exam, you can also try some practice exams for you to be more confident on what you are taking. And you can try it before you start on learning and then try it after what you've learned and compare some knowledge that improves on you. This is a good way to be more confident before taking the exam itself.
Hi guys, that's how I passed the GitHub Foundation exam as a student. If I can do it, so can you. Start with the free resources that I stated on the video, get on the hands-on experience more, and you'll be ready to ace it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and share it with your friends or fellow students that planning to take the GitHub Foundation exam. And also don't forget to comment below if you have any question or you want to share your exam experience. Thanks for watching and good luck on your GitHub Foundation exam.